All right, so it's a big fad. Everyone's doing it. I got the GOVEE light kits, right? The LED strips. Got them installed. I mean, it took literally 10 minutes, and I was done. I did it a little differently than what you're seeing. I'm not even done yet, but I did a little differently than what you're seeing everyone else doing. Everyone else just runs all the way around. I'm gonna show you a real glimpse of what I did. So I came down here, I mounted on the metal rails. Granted, this is a 2021 F-150. So I ran it, mounted on this back little tray rail under the seat. And you can see I double looped it back. I don't know if you can actually see that wires. Those two wires, I looped them backwards. So they're going back this way. They're tucked under the center console. So I actually have a wire right coming all the way back around, tucked under the center console. So basically I looped it, came back around, went all the way under there, and like I said, I used the center console. I didn't like the idea of having a wire just sticking out right there. Yeah, it could have been easy. I could have ran it with a tray. Yeah, cool. I ran mine with the center console. I ran mine all down here along the way of the center console. You can't even see it no more. It goes up there. So this one strip is actually held in with screws. You actually do this. Yeah, I got screws on there because this little felt material is not good for adhesive. So I got the two little screws that come in the kit. I took some of those and used those there. But yeah, got those ones like that. Let me show you the driver's side. Everyone always asks, why don't you show us the front of the truck? But there you go. Never showed y'all the front of the truck. Now you got to see the front of the truck, man. Front of the truck. You just got to see it. XLT, baby. Come down here. You see I got that other strip right there. There's a rail right there to put it on. That was real clutch too. So I got that one down facing. And the same thing, I ran it all the way underneath here. You can actually see that little wire sticking out. So I'm hyper meticulous, bro. I don't like things like that. I got a high attention to detail. I'll flip out seeing stuff like that just hanging. This one is a tray down there. I stuck it on. So yeah, that's how I got it. My plan for this isn't permanent, but I got enough wire where I can stick this somewhere in the front where I really want to. And right now I just got to go into that little, what you call cigarette lighter plug. Got to go into that. Probably going to hardwire it because I just don't like it being like that. Or I might get a USB to the little cigarette lighter thing and put it inside the glove box. Yeah, that's that's something that made me kind of salty, man. Let me show you. So I don't know when they started doing this, so let me not act like I know. So you always get the cigarette lighter right here, right? And I always knew about the one back there. I thought you got one in the glove box, but I'm mistaken. You only get USBs. Yeah, I got the COVID kits always strapped. But yeah, you just get USBs, man. So just a quick video, quick rundown of what I did, how I did it. GOVEE, best LEDs on the market. I wish they didn't have so many kits on Amazon. So I bought like the medium kit, man. So I did not get the cool fancy one that comes with the little keychain remote. I got this little remote. And this, it's not Bluetooth, or it is Bluetooth. It is Bluetooth. I got to get the app. But yeah, you got the music mode and you got the color changing. But there's a better one that's like rainbow. You can put multicolor effects on each strip at one time. And then also, there's a cheaper one that goes solid, like I got right now. And I think I should have just went cheaper. There's some from 10, 11 bucks. There's some 20, 21 bucks. Most of them have coupons. Yeah, I should have got a cheaper kit if this was all I was going to do, go blue. But hey, GOVEE, good product, great products. Wish they didn't have so many, or they made it pretty specific what the difference was. But yeah, man, get you one, get some ambient lighting. The 21s just suck with ambient lighting, man. I wish I could add on to this kit. I wish it was one of those kind of cool kits where I can get one for the doors or, get the trim, but I'm good with this one right now. All right, so just wanted to start it up, let you guys see what I did. I got the controller right here next to me on the seat. I can still slide the seat back and forth. Got the wires pretty tucked away for right now, man. I am in my pajamas, bro, so don't judge. In my pajamas, don't judge. So I'm just playing with the modes right now through the Bluetooth. I just put it in music mode just to show y'all it is reactive. And right now it's like it's reacting to my voice. But I don't know if it's perfect or if there's a little delay, but I mean, I'm gonna try with some music or something and see how that goes, man. But I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it's a little delayed. Maybe he's picking up the car. I mean, it ain't perfect, but you know what? It's blinkety blink. And I mean, you can't do solid colors. It doesn't have to do that spectrum. So check that out, man. Check that out.
Try Jesus, please don't try me, because I'm fine. I know.
So you saw it picked up that bass drop, man. It picked up that bass drop. Shout out to Toby, man. What's up, Toby? Good shit. H-Town. But yeah. Oh, man, dude, it picks up. The app is pretty good, man. I give you a little screen share of the app right after this just to see what the app does. It's pretty straightforward. 10 minutes to install. I do have a predicament, though, man. I do have a predicament. So let me show you what my predicament is. All right? So I'm done in here. Like, top of my head. Nah, there you go. So turn off the truck. Right? Audio still playing, no problem. Radio still on, that's still on, everything's still on. So then, I open the door. It goes through its shutdown and it shuts off. But I still got blinkety blink, right? So I'm gonna look into it and just see how long, if the cigarette lighter is on a timer, how long it might stay on. How long does it truly stay on, and does it go off? Because that means every time I want to get out the truck, I'm going to have to actually, reach back here and turn that motherfucker off here. Because I want to turn it off from here. I want it to cut off completely. I don't want to just, turn it off from the button right here, but that's still getting power. I don't think it's going to drain my battery like that, but I don't want it on if I'm not in the car. So I might have to wire it directly or do that every single damn time. That ain't going to happen. I'm going to forget. I don't think it's going to kill the battery like I said, but I'm going to look into it. Going through the cigarette lighter might not be my best option. So, I mean, if y'all done this before, y'all got an idea what else I could do, let me know. Wiring it directly to a fuse might be the route, but I know the vendor was like, hey, you give it 13, 14 volts, then you're going to cause it to burn out quicker. I'm like, well, shit, you talking about it's going to burn out? That's what you're trying to tell me. It's going to burn out regardless. But it just lasts longer if you keep the voltage low. So I'm going to look into it, man. I'm going to look into my options, see what I could do, where I could put it. As you can see, I already turned it off. It's off now. That's why you don't see nothing. Like the timer just shut it off. But yeah, man, it's cold as shit in Houston, man. It's like 30 degrees right now. I'm about to get out, go inside, get warm, man. Stay safe. You know what I'm saying? Stay up. Hold it down, man. Peace out.